Okay, I just got cued. I couldn't. This is like the fourth time they had to cue me because we were having so much fun. Ladies and gentlemen, I am here with Oogie Wawa. Woo! Now, Oogie Wawa is kind of a crazy name. Jesse, tell us about the name.
Well, Donna, it's great to see you.
Jesse, it's good to see
again.
you too.
Oogie Wawa means cheers in Zulu. We are fun, happy drinkers, if you will.
Yeah.
And so instead of just saying cheers, we used to just say Oogie Wawa, and that's what it means, and that's our band name.
Great. And how did it start?
How did we start?
Yeah.
I just all kind of like came together with this idea of trying something different, and people liked it. You know, we immediately got a really good response.
Found each other in a dark, small bar in Mexico.
We did.
Shots of tequila.
All day.
Things happen.
It's all good. Now, when we originally met, it was thanks to Lou Playa because you did something with
Love Lou.
Reverb Nation. It was it CBGB's? Where were we that night? I don't know, but it was no, it was either the
been.
it was the CBGB Music Festival.
It was at
Yes.
Yep.
Right?
Castaways.
Yes.
Kenny's
Kenny's
Castaways.
Castaways. That was the
Okay,
one, yeah,
and the answer is
That's right.
Castaways. That is where we were.
right.
So I met you, and I knew right off the bat that you guys were just a little different in a great way, right? So you have this crazy Scooby-Doo-ish kind of van-looking thing, right? That you've kind of like decked out. What is that? It's a vehicle that you have fun in
Someone
it.
was driving by the road. We saw her
Yeah.
just in the distance.
She looked at us, we looked at her.
And that was
we
it?
we fell in love.
Yeah.
So it wasn't even your van; it was somebody
Oh,
else's
no, that
van?
is. That's our touring
Oh,
vehicle.
got it. And you're working with Rick Eberly, who does a lot of promotion and
We
stuff for
are.
all kinds of great groups.
He's the man.
Saw you at the Revolution. Just saw you at the Paramount. What a show that was.
Thank you,
Did
thank
you have
you.
fun?
I did.
Yeah. Did you get the chills?
Every time on
My
that one.
favorite stage
on
to
that
play
stage.
on
Yeah.
by far.
Now you're touring and you're going to different cities. How do you feel your music is going to translate to other communities? Do you think you're going to be well received? I'm hoping so. You don't want to be booed off the stage, but like, what excites you so much about touring?
Booed? No.
No.
We don't get booed. Sometimes people don't remember us at the end of the night because they have so much fun with us.
Got
Maybe we
it?
get boozed off the stage.
And that's why he's the lyricist, folks.
Cha
That's
cha
why.
cha.
No,
But we always have a good time, and we all different age ranges tend to love us. We had a show where a granddaughter, a daughter, and a grandmother all bought a shirt at the same time. So it's kind of cool. We get
it is a
we
lot
get
of
things
fun.
like that. Yeah.
And I think if people once maybe listen to me, maybe if they're not used to your type of music, because it is really unique. Like it's an experience. It's more than
right
just
on.
watching somebody. Like you're really interactive and it's really engaging. I think that after the first song or two, they get comfortable with you guys.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, that's the
So-
idea
Game plan.
behind it,
Yeah.
yeah.
always
Yeah.
good,
You know, it's we're all bartenders, and that's kind of like bartending 101. You want to make people feel welcome when they come to sit with you, and
Transfer it.
transfer that into our music. You know, right
Well,
on.
let's take a look.
Please.
You ready? All right.
Let's do it.
Oogie Wawa.
San Benito, shoes on feet, is how we like to chill. Slowly the day is running away, so give me the night to kill. You bring in the ganj, give me the palm, I give me the pipe to fill. And we can kick it, make every day a weekend. Yeah, you can hit it, as long as it's between friends. As soon as you're done, give me the rum, I'll give you a drink then. We can live instead of partying and pretense. Barbecue on the beach, a bonfire for heat. A sandy sea, a bathing suits and bed sheets. I'm living it stress-free, you never depress me. This energy has gotten me into a frenzy. I think I'll ride it till my tank is hitting empty. Oogie Wawa playing when you're smoking plenty. So climb aboard, we can travel through sound. We're leaving Soberville, track bound to Crazy Town.
And why aren't we dancing?
we could.
I got a bum knee from a sports injury.
Fun, really very, very fun. I appreciate you guys being down here. I really enjoy your music. I celebrate your gifts. How can we find out more? Where can we look up?
www.oogiewawa.com.
Spell it.
OOGEE. That's the one.
Oogie Wawa. Come on, Jeff.
Next
yeah.
next cover. We're doing it, guys.
Oogie
It's happening.
Wawa, Oogie Wawa. Live it up, live it up, live it up, live it up. Oh yeah, live it up, live it up.
It's always a harmony with
There you go.
Nicholas.
Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Yay! All right, I'm into it. I'm into it. Thank you so much.